Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's change the style of the layer. In these styles we will pick up the different shapes and the styles as well. For that purpose we will change the style. So here I will put a gradient on that one. So there we can use the different options. It's an opacity there, make it hard, scaled up, change the angle and critical as well. Then there we will create different shapes. So in this shape we will make the design there. So here we have, and also create the vertical shapes as well to change the angles.